Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdaya. Today's story topic the greedy dog. There once lived a dog in a village. He was always hungry and looking for a food. The dog was also very greedy and was never satisfied with what he had or got. Um, the dog kept the dog kept wandering anywhere searching for a food and could never get a content. Each time the dog got a food, he would promise himself that he would be happy with what he had and not crave it anymore. But but within a few seconds he would forget the promise and try to look for more food or grab it from another animal. There, one day he was wandering and searching food as usual. A river flowed by his house, and a bridge was there to help everyone cross to the other side. He decided he decided to cross the bridge by his house and look for food on other side. He looked all around but could not find anything. Suddenly, he spotted a bone lying outside a small hut. The bone was big and juicy, and he ran to grab it and held it tightly in his mouth. He thought he could cross the bridge and eat it at the leisure at home, and he was afraid that if any of his friend or other animals spotted the bone, would also want to share of it. He wanted to devour it all by himself. As he was crossing the bridge to go home, he saw another dog holding bone in its mouth. He noticed that uh, the bone looked as juicy and big as the one he had. He began to think about how lucky he would be if got that bone as to eat. He started thinking of ways to get the other bone from the dog in the river. He barked. He barked at the dog, and assuming the other dog would be immediately throw the bone. The moment we barked, and the bone in his mouth fell into the land, and he then realized it was a big mistake to be greedy. He had to return home without a bowl and nothing to eat. He realized he had paid a heavy price for his greed. As he was crossing the bridge to go home, and he saw another dog holding a bone in its mouth. He noticed that the bone looked as juicy and big as the bone he had. He began to think about how lucky he would be if he got that bone to eat too. And he started thinking always. Then he learned his lesson and promised himself he would no longer be greedy. In the mo- uh, the moral of the story is we should not be greedy. Greed is a curse and will make us do things that are not the right choices. Greed makes as a selfish, short-tempered, envious, and the jealous of others. It is a foolish to the big greedy in a life. One must to content with what one has and not tempered by the positions of others. Greed stops us from welcoming challenges and gives with courage and wisdom. Greed stores our minds and blocks us from seeing the actual value of things. It is a wrong to be tempered by the position of others. And six, it we must work hard to earn what we want to be satisfied with the satisfied with what we have. Then the we should in this story we learn the we should not be greedy. Thank you.